On September 23rd, Spotify automatically installed itself on my computer. I didn't download it, I didn't ask for it, but it installed on 9/23. On 9/24, I noticed a new icon in the system tray. It was Spotify. I also noticed that Spotify was added to my startup programs, so it automatically starts up whenever the system started. Needless to say, it didn't take me very long and I uninstalled Spotify. I was a little puzzled. How did this happen? Because it wasn't something that I personally did. I got my answer today. In an article on Windows Latest, I spotted this, which states that Spotify app is automatically getting installed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Apparently, I wasn't the only one who had Spotify installed without my permission or my knowledge. I'll leave a link to this article in the video, so if this happens to you, you might want to take a look at this. Microsoft and Spotify are both investigating to find out how this happened. Since this also was added to the programs that automatically start when Windows starts, I've done some more checking, and there's actually a way for you to be notified when anything gets added to that list of programs that start when the system starts, provided you're running Windows 11 version 22H2. And the next video will show you just how to set that up. Stay safe, stay secure, and be careful what gets installed on your system.